Magnetron is a device consisting of a filament of radius A and a coaxial cylindrical anode of radius B, which are located in a uniform magnetic field parallel to the filament. An accelerating potential difference V is applied between the filament and the anode. Find the value of magnetic induction at which electrons leaving from the filament with zero velocity reach anode. Okay, so these pink dot represent the magnetic field. Okay, and this is an electron. So due to the presence of electric field, okay, this electron will experience an electric force, okay, in this direction. So due to the presence of electric force, it will gain velocity, and due to the velocity it will also experience magnetic force, because force on a charged particle in a magnetic field is equal to q v cross v. So the path of the electron will be a cycloidal path. Okay, so थीटा एंगल पे जाके r डिस्टेंस दूर, लेट अस सपोज जो हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉन की वेलोसिटी है वो v है. ओके, सो component of velocity in r cap direction is v r cap and component of velocity in theta cap direction is v theta cap. r cap and theta cap क्या है? These are the unit vectors in polar coordinates. Okay, so acceleration of a particle in polar coordinates is r double dot minus r theta dot square r cap. So this is the component of acceleration in r cap direction in this direction, and the component of acceleration in theta cap direction is r theta dot plus 2r dot theta dot. So this is the transverse component of acceleration. Okay, now due to electric force it will gain velocity, and so the two components of velocity are v r cap and v theta cap. Now electric force will act in this direction, in r cap direction, and magnetic force will also act due to this v theta cap. Magnetic force will act in this direction, and due to v r cap magnetic force will act in this direction. Okay, so we are not interested in this r cap direction wala force. Okay, we'll find or we'll use only magnetic force in theta cap direction. Okay, there will be no electric force in theta cap direction, so there will be only magnetic force in theta cap direction. So magnetic force on a charged particle is equals to q v cross b. So f theta cap, this is the force, magnetic force in theta cap direction, that will be equals to q. Q is E is the charge on electron, v r cap cross b. So v r cap is this v r cap. Okay, so the angle between the velocity v r cap and magnetic field is 90 degree. So this will be e v r cap b only. Now m times acceleration in transverse component. So a theta cap. Now what is a theta cap? This is the value of a theta cap. r theta double dot plus 2r dot theta dot. So this is the transverse component of acceleration. So I can write this expression like this also, है ना? आप इसको differentiate कर सकते हैं. You will get this same expression. Okay, so this will be equals to this v r cap, we can write is equals to dr by dt. Now r is this distance from the center. Dr by dt, this is the v r cap. Okay, so dr by dt times b is equals to this expression multiplied with m. Now I can integrate this expression taking r on this side and dt on this side on integrating. Okay, now r will be, this r dr will be integrated from a to b, and this expression will be integrated from 0 to b square theta dot. Now why 0? Because initially theta dot will be 0. Okay, initially theta dot will be 0, and at this point the value of r square theta dot will be equals to, at this point, it will be equals to b square theta dot, where theta dot is nothing but omega, angular velocity. Okay, now this is the expression which we'll get from integrating this expression. eb upon 2m b square minus a square is equals to b square theta dot. Now we are required to find this theta dot or omega. Now we'll find this using energy conservation. ev is equals to half m v square. अच्छा, अब जो इन्होंने स्टार्टिंग में लिखा था कि इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0 है, अब उसका यूज़ कहाँ पे होगा? यहाँ पर होगा. जो हम लिमिट्स पुट करिए हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ होगा. क्यों? अगर इनिशियल स्पीड होती तो यहाँ पर एक और एक्सप्रेशन आता, बट वो एक्सप्रेशन 0 है, सो वो यहाँ पर आएगा नहीं. सो फ्रॉम हियर विल गेट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ v. नाउ दिस ग्रीन v, और दिस इज द ग्रीन वेलोसिटी, दिस इज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन at this point. Okay, this is the velocity of electron at this point or at anode. So from here we'll get v is equals to under root 2 ev by m. Now this v actually equals to, v is equals to omega. v is equals to omega तो एक्सप्रेशन होता है रोटेशन मोशन में पढ़ते हुए. सो v is equals to omega वही होगा. तो v is equals to theta dot into r. r is the रेडियस, है ना, वो क्या है? b होगा. So from here we'll get the value of theta dot is equals to 1 upon b under root 2 ev by m. So from here we'll just put the value of theta dot in this expression, and we'll get the value of magnetic field as b upon b square minus a square under root 8 mv upon e.